Decor trends come and go, but some pieces have the power to completely transform your space while keeping it stylish and timeless. Incorporating the right decor items not only updates your home but also creates a warm, inviting atmosphere you'll love coming back to every day. Today, we're talking about pieces you'll want to incorporate into your home to keep it fresh, stylish, and oh so inviting. Let's get started. First on the list. Statement lighting. In 2025, lighting is no longer just about function, it's about making a bold, artistic statement. Oversized pendants, textured glass chandeliers, and sculptural floor lamps are perfect for adding a touch of drama to your space. Whether it's a dining room or a cozy corner in your living room, choose a piece that doubles as decor. Opt for dimmable lighting to set the perfect mood. Next is sustainable decor. Pieces made from eco-friendly materials are more popular than ever. A recycled glass vase, reclaimed wood flooring, or a jute area rug will bring in a natural, earthy feel to your home. Not only do they look beautiful, but they also help you create a home that's mindful of the planet. Number 3 is all about artisan textiles. Think hand-woven throws, globally inspired pillows, and patterned and textured rugs. These pieces are not only stunning, but they also add warmth and personality to your home. Look for items with unique patterns, like Kanta stitching or Moroccan-inspired designs. Layering textiles makes a room feel complete. Mix patterns in a similar color palette for a cohesive look. Number 6 is greenery. Plants are the ultimate decor item for 2025, and really, any year. From small succulents, plants, to large potted trees, greenery adds life, texture, and a sense of calm to your home. You can use plants to fill empty corners, style shelves, or even as statement pieces in a room. Plus, they're great for improving air quality. Choose low-maintenance plants if you're new to indoor greenery. For number 4, we're talking rounded furnishings. Whether it's an accent chair, a coffee table, or mirrors, these pieces instantly make a space feel more modern and approachable. Plus, they're super versatile and can work with so many different styles. Pair rounded furniture with straight-edge decor for contrast. Next we have mixed metal accents. Gone are the days of sticking to just one finish. In 2025, it's all about combining metals like brass, matte black, and brushed nickel for a layered, sophisticated look. You can bring this trend in with small touches like candle holders, picture frames, or a statement mirror. It's a great way to add depth and a little sparkle to any room. Finally, number 7 is trending color, Mocha Mousse. This warm, rich neutral is everywhere in 2025. It's perfect for adding depth and coziness to a space without feeling overwhelming. You can use it on walls and furniture. Decor items like pillows and throws. And it pairs beautifully with other neutrals or even bold accent colors if you want to make it pop. Here's more inspiration to help you incorporate these 2025 decor trends into your home. This is a wonderful quote from John Saladino. A house is much more than a mere shelter, it should lift us emotionally and spiritually. And there you have it, 7 must-have decor items for 2025. I'd love to know which one is your favorite or if you've already started incorporating any of these into your home. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.